road, mainly this road is towards the direction of Bergen, one of the big cities of Norway. And Bergen was it is the former capital of Norway. When we are approaching the exit, the lights will become a little bit brighter before going out, because in order for your eyes to be adjusted before going out to a very bright environment.
Alam to yun na tunnel yun.
Liardal Tunnel.
Yeah, Liardal tunnel.
So this road, 24 kilometers pa before reaching the end. So this is 24 point something kilometers, fully cemented ang tunnel, fully lighted with all the amenities, emergency amenities, telephone, emergency telephone. In my opinion, that is one good thing about Norway. Even if it is already a rural area, the government try to find ways to provide roads, as much as possible, concrete roads and electricity and a lot of amenities that the citizens of Norway or people in Norway can enjoy. So like this, for example, this is a very remote area already, away from the capital, but as you can see, the road are well maintained. So other than these roads, we also have the what is this, the pathway of the trains.
Oh yeah.
So they consider also as the Oslo Bergen train ride. They also consider it as a very scenic trip. And from Oslo going to Bergen, you can take a sleeper train.
What's the difference between a sleeper and a regular train, Joe?
You will be provided with a bed.
The sleeper.
Yeah, the sleeper, like in the color line, in the cruise line, for example.
That's
So
why
you will be provided with blankets, you will be provided with pillows, so you can lie down flat while you are traveling.
It's more spacious, right?
Yeah,
The sleepers.
Although I think it's a little bit expensive, but you will be more comfortable.
So there's a sleeper train here from Bergen to Oslo.
To Oslo.
Oh.
The same thing with Oslo to Stavanger. They also have like that.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not condemning or judging the train in Germany, but some trains are not that good.
Yeah, I think it's with the company.
Yeah, it's not they're providing a good facilities. You have some choices. So here you have a sleeper, and a regular train too.
Yeah, on that the same train, there are seats, which is a little bit cheaper, I think. And on another couch, they have the sleeper area that you can book your ticket so that you can sleep comfortably.
And what's this on our right side? So this is like
Fjord.
a fjord.
It's a fjord.
Oh.
So
I can see
this one, the ships are passing through
cruise,
here.
Yes, I see cruise ships, right? Yeah, that's a big one. So this is connected to the sea from here.
Unlike in other countries, the wharf, the docking of the ships facilities are already only located in the capital and the big cities. But here, even in a very remote area, they have improved the facilities so that the ship can dock safely.
And that's good because it helps also the economy of the country or on the city.
Yeah, but
imagine if you have like 1 million tourist visits, then they only spend like 100 kroner, so times 1 million. It's a big money.
based on our social studies schooling before,
Look at this.
there are communities here in Norway that protest this cruise ship,
yes.
because these cruise ship are bringing smoke coming in, And I don't know if it will be approved. There is a proposal in the parliament that they will only allow
Numbers
less
of-
emission or electric vessels to come here,
Wow, look at this.
not to pollute the what is this, the
Water.
environment.
Yes.
And also they are not required to dump anything in the fjords,
Oh yeah.
like their wastewater. They are not allowed to do it here in the fjords.
This is another tunnel, but not long. Yeah, even there's no cruise. Some people really wants to visit Norway by way of
And you know, one way there was a place, I cannot remember which place is that, but it's still in Norway. One way of protesting, one way of showing their protest is that on the part that the cruise ship will pass through, on the nearest land, they lie down there naked.
Wow. Right. So this is the tunnel is short. It's not that long, but it's still good.
So we are now going to turn left, going down to Flom. Actually, this is already part of the Flom. Dar, Flom is Dar, at the right side.
Okay, so guys, we are ready to explore this city again.
This is the camping here. So
Okay.
wide open pa kung
Turn left.
makasalam sa kayo limbana.
Dito na tayo.
So load sa ka sa camping Diyos, mag-inquire sa ta.
Daming parang dito.
Pupunta tayo doon.
Mag-U-turn lang ko. Sabi na. Nasa bang entrance dito?
So this is another city here in Norway, Plum. Malayo na siya sa capital, pero makita mo may cruise ship pa rin dito. Kita mo yun ang bukid, oh. Ang ganda. Ganda ng landscape, mountainscape dito. Yan, daming mga falls, tsaka makita mo yun dito yung cruise ship. Ganda. So na ito yung kasama natin. Ito na tong Lom, one of the cities of Norway. Nasa bukid na siya, pero makikita mo na dami pa rin turista. Dinarayo pa rin dito. Diyan yung makikita mo, daming mga tourist buses at saka mga turista na sasakay dito. Mayroon pa silang mga falls din dito. Yan ang pinaka ganda dito, yung bukid rin nila, solid stones, at saka ganito kadami yung mga sasakyan na nagpa-park dito. Yan, meron pa silang cruise ship na nagdagdak dito. So fjords yan siya, ibig sabihin yung tubig na yan galing sa glacier, galing sa bukid, diretso na yan sa dagat, kaya naka chance yung cruise ship dito, MSC, yung cruise ship na nandito. Ito yung mga turista naghihintay ng mga bus nila, mga sundo nila dito. Ayan, dami yung mga pasahero dito, at turista dito. So meron kaming nakilala dito, Filipino husband with
Sabi ko may nagtatagalog pagtingin ko dala si Kuya Jun.
sa ganyan cruise ships there everywhere. Dami.
Como no ahorita, sobre las 6, ¿no? Si no determina, si no quieres comprar nada, nos volvemos.
Yes, sir.
Bueno, mira, pagkain, magluto kami sa camping.
Oh, yeah. Ito yung mga pan dito. Daming mga turista dito. So, kain muna kami. Yan, may bukid dyan, oh. Yan. Tsaka dito yung mga turista. Dami ding turista. Tsaka yung bukid dyan. Wow, ang ganda. Ganda tingnan. So, kain mo kami at saka dito. Mall of Norway. Ito. Dyan. May cruise ship dyan. Tsaka yan, ang ganda. Ayan, no, makikita mo yung sasakyan. Pasok yan sa tunnel. Ayan. So, yun ang tunnel. Yan siya yung tunnel. Tapos, ito yung bukid. Ayan, yung mga sasakyan nandyan, oh. Yan, papasok yan dyan sa tunnel. Then, ganito kalaki yung bukid na binutasan nila. Yan. Ipalakihin ko yan. May makita mo. Yan, dyan. May RV na papasok dyan. Yan yung tunnel, oh. O yung yun ang tunnel. So, ganito kalaki yung bukid na binutasan nila. Ayan, ayan. So, ganito ka-technical yung Norway. So, ang laki ng bukid rin. Ang laki ng bukid na yan. Pero, nagawa pa nila na magawa ng tunnel. So, yan yung tunnel na binutasan. Ayan. So, ganyan ka advance yung Norway. So, hindi sila mahilig na magiba ng bukid. Kundi lagyan na nila ng tunnel. So, hindi nasira yung tunnel. Natural pa rin, pero may daanan na. Saka, ganyan yun. Tingnan natin, may isa pang sasakyan na papasok dyan. Ayan, o. So, nagawa nilang mabutasan yung bukid. At saka kahit ganito ka bukid na, pero ganito ka ganda ng syudad nila, o. Ayan, o. Meron pa silang cruise ship dito, MSC, Mediterranean Shipping Company. Okay, nakita natin yun. Ayun, may malaking papasok sa bus. Ayun, kita natin. So, ganyan kaganda dyan. Tingnan natin, may isa pa na malaki, makita natin ang close up. Yan, pasok dyan. Ayan, yan ang tunnel. So, ganito kalaki yung bukirin. Tsaka ganito din siya. May cruise ship pa dito. So, ganito kaganda yung bukid nila, oh. Tingnan mo. Ayan. Tsaka dito din, daming mga tour bus. Ayan dyan. So, ganito kaganda. Ito yung plum ng Norway. Dito tayo mag-overnight ngayong gabi. So, marami pa tayong i-explore dito sa lugar na to. Bukas pause na tayo. Ayan.
Tunnel.
Was good bagger.
Okay. Ilang hours ang bargain?
Mga tulo na lang siguro rin.
Kasi, di pa sila umalis.
Wala, lakaw mata.